السلام عليكم. Peace be upon you. مرحبا بكم في درس جديد. Welcome to a new lesson. Today we'll learn the parts of speech in Arabic. In order to understand the part of speech in Arabic, let's have a look at English parts of speech. The parts of speech are the basic types of words that we use to form sentences. In English, there are 8 parts of speech: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and so on. But in Arabic, there are just 3. In Arabic language, all words fall only into 3 main categories. Those categories are الاسم noun, الفعل verb, الحرف particle. This is simpler than English, which, as we saw, has 8 parts of speech. Many English parts of speech, like adjectives, pronouns, and prepositions, are considered types of nouns or particles in Arabic grammar. Let's start with the noun. A noun, or al-ismu, is any word that names a person, animal, thing, or idea. Examples: ولد, boy; كتاب, book; حب, love; قط, cat. Also in English, boy, book, happiness, all are nouns. A verb, or الفعل, is a word that tells us an action and its time. Examples: ذهب, he went; يكتب, he writes; سوف يأكل, he will eat. Just like English verbs: write, go, eat. A particle, or الحرف, doesn't have meaning on its own. It connects other words or changes their function. Examples: من, from; إلى, to; في, in; و, and; li, for. These are like English prepositions and conjunctions. So, the parts of speech in Arabic are noun, verb, and particle. Quick comparison. While English says, the boy is sleeping, noun plus verb plus helping verb. Arabic just says, الولد نائم, the boy sleeping, noun plus verb. Fewer parts equals more power. That's the power of Arabic grammar. 3 parts of speech, endless expression. Follow for the next episode. We'll build full sentences with these. استمروا في التعلم وإلى اللقاء. Keep learning and see you next time.